I can hardly see that myself. Looks too small for MSC, but anyway. So,
Lincoln Rhodes, and these are the places it goes.
you know,
Oh, look at this elephant. I'm just going to go have a look. Have a little look. Elephatius.
and action.
Okay, guys, so we're doing a walking guide, a self-walking guide. I don't know how good this is going to be, but this is one of, so it's one of 11 gates which surround the fortified old town. And if you are coming from a cruise ship, it's going to take you about 12 minutes to walk here. Now, this one is called Epirasius. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, and if I'm not, then you can comment. I don't mind at all. My pronunciation is absolutely rubbish. And with that, Mark's going to do a 360 and show you right round.
Okay.
In fact, Mark, if you want to come up here, if you want to come up here, the views are amazing.
Okay, I'll do that then. So this looks like a town hall building, doesn't it? Behind you. Whew. That's a bit of heat.
You've got the gates here, so this is one of 11 gates that protected like the fort.
Oh yeah. So I think we parked over there, didn't we?
Yeah, yeah.
The ferry. That's beautiful though again, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Let me just. I don't know. We'll see. If we get kicked out, we get kicked out. Oh, we've got a wedding going on and some wedding photographs, so
Okay.
I don't want to intrude. But you look beautiful.
Yeah. Right. So that's the police over there, isn't it?
Where are we now?
The next stop is.
So you've got to pass through the gate and walk along the multiple art gallery.
Yeah.
So opposite behind the taxi shop, you will find the rooms of the temple of Aphrodite.
Okay.
This was built in the 3rd century BC and dedicated to Greek goddesses, love and beauty.
Okay, let's go there then. So through those gates we go. 2 secs. Yeah, guys. I mean, just look at that. I mean, that is mighty impressive. We tried to park where we've just walked from, but we've actually parked at the other side of these gates. The parking is a nightmare. So what is it? It's red. No, it's blue is chargeable. Yellow is a no-no. You'll probably towed away. White is okay and free. I mean, look at this. See this lollipop? Impressive, yeah?
Gorgeous, isn't it? It's pirate ship coming in.
Is that traditional Greek? So there's a statue there, babe. What do you think that statue is in that square?
Should we go and have a look?
Yeah. 2 secs. Wow, see the back side of this? That's some impressive brickwork that is, isn't it, babe?
Gorgeous,
Absolutely
isn't
beautiful. And then just over there is the beach.
So, where was I up to? So we come past that.
So is that the art gallery then, would you say?
So if you just downloaded the tour guide and gave it to me to read,
Yeah,
is that what you've done?
yeah. So
we've come through there. So we come through the cobblestones.
So this is, it's all Greek to me. Oh, eternal glory shall crown those killed for the liberation of the island of the North and South Aegean during the years of 43 and 45. Look at that. I can hardly see that myself. Very impressive. And then look at that behind Lollipop there. Absolutely amazing. Not sure about the pigeons though. But anyway,
I think this is where the art collection.
yeah,
Okay.
it probably is. It looks like it, doesn't it?
Because it says, pass through the gates and
Yeah.
walk along past the Munichal Art Gallery, opposite behind the taxi shop.
Yeah,
Behind the taxi shop
yeah.
of Aphrodite. This was built in the 3rd century BC, dedicated to the Greek goddess and love and beauty. So I think we've done that, haven't we?
Yeah, but that's not Aphrodite.
That's not, is it? Have we come through the wrong gate then?
Probably.
I bet we're on the 11th gate, not the 1st, because
Yeah.
this statue's not come up.
Right. Right, let's carry on then. Along here. So 2 secs. Right,
I'm walking along the water's edge.
don't blame you. Oh, there's a submarine that we're going on. Seen it, babe?
Yeah?
Looks cool, that, doesn't it? I don't know if the...
Quite like the jet boat myself.
Yeah. I mean, look how crystal clear the water is. Beautiful. So, this is the statue of the stag here, coming up to now. There's 2 of them, protecting the harbour. Nice man fishing.
There you go. Liverpool's got liver birds. Rhodes Town has got stags.
Stags. And then
Manchester has got rain.
Costa Cruises, the sea is. Costa Azul, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
That one is. I was trying to work out which one
Is
that
that the one
was.
behind it is?
Can't see that one from here, can
They're the
you?
Italian cruises, aren't they?
Might be, yeah, it looks small, so it might be another.
I wonder if he's caught any fish today.
Don't know. I wonder if that's another Costa one. Looks too small for MSC, but anyway. So, there we go, protecting the beautiful harbour. And the castle, whatever, the windmill, or lighthouse I should say. Oh, look at this big huge cruise cargo load coming in now, babe. Wowzers.
Cool, isn't it?
So this is that.
That's come from Crete.
Has it? Oh wow. Right, let's move on, should we? What's this, babe?
What is this?
I think,
Let me see. We've done the stag.
yeah,
Uh,
so we're on C.
we're on C. We're still on A now on that. Ha ha ha.
Is that hot?
Ha ha ha.
Absolutely stunning though, that.
Oh, we need to know what it is. This walking tour takes about nearly 2 hours.
Yeah, we're not doing the full one today. Just pick parts for this side.
So I don't know where
Plane
you've got me
coming.
then.
Hold on then, let's just find this. Welcome back to the Lollie and Markie show. We're trying to do a walking tour of this bit of roads. We've put some highlighted sites on. We'll probably get half of them wrong, but we are starting to Google some of these. So here is the Fontana Grande. It's more than just a fountain, it's a dynamic and central point of interest on Rhodes Island. This establishment serves as a versatile tourist attraction and a practical gathering spot. So it's primarily open square, situated right on the waterfront. There you go, right on the waterfront. So you can get boat trips right behind us there. So we'll walk along there, but I think we next go up that way next. But there's another statue there, so we'll go and find that one next, which is just the way up there now that we're looking at. All right, catch you in a second. Right, okay. So we'll walk to that next statue. So
So
this
the
is
Royal
what,
Sailing in Rhodes, and these are the places it goes, and the times they go at.
no prices on there though, is there?
No.
Well,
When I asked yesterday, She did give me a leaflet and said you can download the QR code.
Tell you what, some nice boats here, isn't there, babe?
Yeah, some millionaires here, isn't there?
Yeah. Well, there's plenty of choice along here, isn't there?
It's just so hot, isn't it?
Yeah. Sunset tour, 1 hour, 7:05 tonight.
Do you want to try again? See if we can get
Might
one.
come back. Yeah, this way, babe. So as you can see, there's loads along here. You're not going to be stuck wanting one, are we? We want one later on.
There's boats galore. I'm sure there'd be one with a free space for two.
Right. So, should we try and identify this one?
Okay, guys, just so you know, the reason I got it wrong, because the map had been downloaded wrong.
Yeah, that's my fault.
So, anyway, we've fixed it now.
I've got nothing on this one.
Neither do you, by the looks of it.
So, we're just going to have to make this one up between us.
Okay. Is that Elvis then?
Yeah.
Strutting his stuff. One for the money, two for the show. Three to get ready now, go Mark.
Yeah, there's nothing on my map for that one, so it doesn't exist.
Okay.
Right, so we're now just going to go behind this place here.
Oh, my neck just cracked.
I mean, although we're in Rhodes now, so there's a monument behind every corner. Mind my wait, babe.
Thank you, thank you. Lovely people at least.
Well, police car, yeah, so I didn't
Oh,
die.
no, we weren't looking the other way.
I know, I've just noticed that myself. Seen this outside all the buildings, it's like pebbles. I wonder if this is courts of justice. The scales of
yeah,
justice.
the scales of justice. Hang on.
Right, so we're just going up here. This is next stop. It's called the Throne of Helios, which is up here somewhere, I think.
Oh my.
And then just up there. Should we walk in the shade, babe?
Hey, look at that for Starbucks. Tiramisu, creamed iced latte.
Do you want one?
Do you know what, babe? No.
No, you sure?
Yeah. Thank you anyway. You sure this isn't it, Mark? That's getting done up.
Might do, yeah.
Because that looks like an old
Oh no,
building.
Throne of Helios here.
Oh, right, okay.
So it's a 9D cinema showing you the history of Rhodes.
Okay. Do you want to go in?
No.
9D.
9D. Wow.
There you go.
Wow. Not what I was expecting. Shows every day.
All languages.
10 to 12. How much is it? 13 euros. That's not
13
bad.
euros per person, yeah?
Yeah, 13 euros per person.
Fabulous. Okay, so if you fancy that, is it like a fully immersive?
Sorry?
Is it fully immersive?
Yeah, you wear the glasses, chairs move, and you feel anywhere.
Oh, right, okay then.
Fabulous.
Brilliant.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, right, okay.
Right, so where's next?
I'll tell you now.
Oh, look at this elephant. I'm just going to go have a look. Have a little look. It mightn't be on the list to do. Oh, you like them in South Africa? Oh,
Right.
what do we have here then?
Next point to stop
Oh yeah, Mark,
is...
we've got the Blue Lagoon every night, Greek live music, the Magic Taverna. Mark, wait till you see in here. We've got Greek live music every night.
Oh, wow. Oh, my word.
Oh my, look at this.
Jeez.
Oh, this is stunning, isn't it?
I love it in that boat.
You can get your lamb chops here as well. There's 21 for your lamb chops. Sit down.
Greek salads, tenner.
Yeah.
About the same price everywhere else. Wow, this is amazing.
And the cats just add to it.
Yeah. You're all upstairs.
Oh my days.
It goes for miles at the back.
Go on then, go in first.
Hello.
Hello there. Oh wow, amazing place.
Fantastic.
And this is why you need to come through. Rhodes is unreal. Look at that. Oh my god. I think we found our place to come tonight, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it, Mr. Mark, do you?
It's fabulous, isn't it? Totally unique and different.
Shall we
Don't
see if
even
we
know.
need to book? Yeah, it's got up there as well.
Well, let's carry on walking around because it's right next door to our hotel. This, do you know what I mean?
Absolutely love it.
I would have preferred to have eaten on the harbour. You know what I mean? But if we're staying 2 nights,
It's got all the Greek music and everything though, hasn't it?
yeah.
Do you need to book of an evening or? No. Yeah, you can just come in. Oh, fabulous,
Okay.
thank you.
Right. So
Oh,
we've got a 12-minute
babe.
walk now. So where are we going now?
It's got no tusks.
Got no what?
It's got no tusks.
Oh.
Bless them.
So it's back this way now, darling.
Okie dokie.
So you might want to
Right
pause it
behind you.
because it's a 12-minute walk.
Okay, hang on.
I'll tell you where we're going, should I? First. So I was just saying, our next stop should be the medieval city of Rhodes. That's what
There
we're
you
going
go.
to now.